Boom, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. Yes, it is the Back Porch Edition. It is what it is, guys. Yeah, I think I'm getting sick again. I'll be damned. Anyway, we're going to revisit something we haven't revisited in quite a while. I was in the store. They had them marked down. What the hell, it's been a while. Figured I'd grab one. Let me get my stuff I need. We'll get to it, guys. Been so long, I forgot I didn't need anything. Let's tear into it. This is Bass Fishing Kit, box number 962. I haven't gotten one of these in a while. It's been a while, guys. So we'll see if they're adding anything new and juicy. Okay. Oh, I see something. Two things that I like already. First off, three things. Booyah. The Mousehead Grass Jig. 1/4 ounce. Very nice. That's where you get them big bass up in that grass. Bass in the grass. I'm gonna copyright that catchphrase too. Don't try to steal it. All right, now we got us a clickbait vibrating jig, 3/8 ounce by Catch Company Gagoon Squad. Chatterbait. Very nice. Very nice. I fished with these things a couple of times. I really like them. That's two that I said I like already. And number 3 that I like is the Banger by Gagoon Squad. Crankbait. Let's see what we got here. This is a 2 to 5 foot diver, 2 1/4 inches long, and weighs 3/8 of an ounce. Look at that bad boy. I lost one just like this out on the property, hooked into about a 4-pounder, broke off. I bet it was the same damn jig or same crankbait. So I'm glad I got that. I think I have a bunch of these already, but I got more. Boom! Vile Bug by Bioscent, enriched by Bioscent. Nice. Looks like some little funky crawfish. What color do they say what color? No, there's a disclaimer on here. I can't believe this. Bait don't actually have genes. Serious. They probably got sued for something like that. Who knows? Yeah, there's no. Okay, here we go. I can't even see that. Okeechobee Crawl. Okeechobee Crawl, 4-inch. That's what it is. That's Okeechobee Crawl. Looks like some kind of blue, green. I don't know. Well, we got a pack of those. Okay, there they are. I was getting a little worried there. And we got hooks. Just 2. Mustad 2-out hooks. Like I said a million times, you never have enough hooks. Oh, we got the Dibble. Tips, tricks. Shows different baits that might be in here. Shows their best sellers, which is similar to, 3 of them are similar to what I got. You can't buy it. Inshore topwater explosion. Just a bunch of tips and stuff like that on how to fish and what to, where to fish and how to use certain lures and stuff like that. So it's definitely a nice little thing to have. Then we have a what's inside that we don't need because we just went over what's inside. That probably would have been a good thing to pull first, huh? And last but not least, to finish out the box, boom! You got to have the decal. It's not done without the decal. That's just all there is to it. Man, that sounds great. So yes, I really like this box. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to get out and use some of this stuff. That's what I need to do. This weekend, I have my granddaughters, so I will be busy with them over the weekend. But for the next couple of weeks afterwards, I should be freed up to where I can give you guys some time because you guys are friggin' awesome. You guys are awesome. My subscribers are going up, 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 up. My views are going up, 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 up. My watch hours are going up. I am now an official YouTube partner. Yes, you will see ads in my videos, but it's a good thing because it helps me bring this kind of stuff to you guys. I gets paid. I don't know how much, but no, I can't quit my job. No, I still got to work. I don't know how this is going to work out. I'm hoping it does great. If it's anything like it has been the last 6 months, it's going to be fine because I got the best subscribers and viewers that YouTube has to offer. And that's you guys. It's all because of you that all of this is possible. And I have no words to describe how much I appreciate you guys. You are the best. And I mean that. Do me a favor. The ones that have, the guy sitting beside you, because you've already subscribed, but this guy sitting over here, he hasn't. So you need to tell him to go ahead and subscribe. Do me a favor, like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. That way you get a notification every time I drop a video. It's always a good thing. Thumbs up. That's the same thing as like, but you know what I mean. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on TikTok, The Sweet Outdoors. And definitely check us out on YouTube. Go and watch the Harbor Freight Survival Kit giveaway video. 2,500 views, I give the survival kit away. I'll tell you what I'll do. 5,000 views, I'll throw in a mystery tackle box. Why not? Because I love you guys. All appreciation for the things that you do for me. And I love you for it. 5,000 views, you get the survival kit, you get a mystery tackle box. It's crazy. Whatever. Be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.